See, all the way down to you real live, James Brown style. I don't even know if it's just for me, but yeah, remember this. Remember this shit. Hey, nice. You know what? I don't want nobody to give me nothing. Open up the door and I'll get it myself. I don't want nobody to give me nothing. Open up the door and I'll get it myself. I'll be up in the lab cheap. I give a damn about a cheap sugar daddy. I ain't got to trick a nigga to get mine. Me, I'm better than a dime. I'm a quarter horse. Better release the force. Every time I'm in this bitch, I'm on course. This is LA's underground movement. As you can see, me and the beat is congruent. I'm kicking these freestyles cause I'm real. Yeah, I got a little bit of sex appeal. But as I peel this mic, you better believe I rock this shit like 1, 2, hype. Set this shit on. Somebody go short and I want somebody to go long. And then you want me to do this, I can continue to do this, I'll pursue it. And when I get the Echo Unlimited, I give a damn cause the money he ain't spending it in my community. In the Murder Park, I'm the one that created the #1 art. That's why I keep your head about it. Gold fronts, all that color popping, all that ice, I give a fuck. I don't want nobody to give me nothing. Open up the door and I'll get it myself. When I say I don't want nobody to give me nothing, open up the door and I'll get it myself. I see I got y'all wide open. I've been rocking this shit from LA to Oakland. As you can see, the doves mean a lot to me, so put them up in the air so cautiously. Cause if you ain't representing properly, I'm about to catch you slipping. And wait a minute, as I'm rocking so bionic, can we get right back to the chronic? Y'all act like you didn't see me act for the push, yeah, the push. Somebody give me a pipe, somebody give me a bone. Not that I'm a crackhead, but just strong on the microphone when asking. Nobody got nothing to pass me? That's alright, I can tell you. But you know what? I don't want nothing from you. I don't want nobody to give me nothing. Open up the door and I'll get myself. What? Say it.
I don't want nobody to give me nothing. Just open up the door and I'll get it myself.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
I don't want nobody
to give me nothing. What?
Just open up the door. I'll get it myself.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Cause it's yours. This is my verse. But there's enough for everybody in the universe. So you better get you a star. Or go to the bar and get a stab of something. I can say F y'all as hell as black. But that's alright, I got you. And it's like Tito, nigga, go get me a tissue. Cause I'm sweating so profusely. But I do this straight for the love of musically. And then when I finish it up, Ice will continue